Hello, students. We will be talking about ancient Egypt and its geological features. This is your homework assignment, so it's going to be kind of quick. Just see if you could just hang on really quickly. And you can also pause and go back and look at this video if needed. So, first thing is first, vocabulary words I need you to be on the lookout for. I need you to be on the lookout for geography, which is the topographical features of a region, civilization, the advanced state of human society that has been reached, achievement, something accomplished especially by special effort, ability, and courage, and also symbolization. Symbolization is symbols used in representation of another object, person, verb, action, or subject. Where is Egypt? Egypt is mostly located in the northeastern corner of Africa. Egypt is what links Northeast Africa with the Middle East. So you see this huge gray area with the green and orange area is, that is Africa. The green area is Egypt. Egypt connects Africa to the Middle East. What are the four main geological areas of Egypt? You have the Western Desert. This is the area of the Sahara Desert, and it lies west of the Nile River. You have the Sinai Peninsula, which is located southeastern of the Mediterranean Sea, and it acts as a land bridge that connects Asia and Africa. You have the Eastern Desert, also known as the Arabian Desert. This desert is southeast of the Nile River, and last but not least, you have the Nile River and its delta. The Nile River runs straight through Egypt, and you can clearly see that whenever I pull up on the map for you, okay? The Nile in ancient Egypt. So let's take a look. Look to your left. You'll see a painting. This is a painting from the tomb of Nakt. This painting shows how in ancient Egypt, how important and vital the Nile River was, not only to the people, but to the livestock, their religion, their culture, and the agriculture that was surrounded by it. Take a look to your right. That is the Nile River currently. Let's take a look at this. Why was the Nile River so important? Here, there is a poem. I want you to either pause right now or go back after this video is over and look at this poem. This is an assignment. I want you to take a look at this poem and see if you can see how important the Nile River was important to the civilizations around it. Also, write down the ideas in your notebook. This will be part of your Fast 7 when you come to class tomorrow morning. Why the Nile River is important continued. One, it was a primary source of water for people and primary water source for crops, so people could have stable food supply. It helped the irrigation systems and was a mode of transportation. And also, it allowed mass production of papyrus. Now, in class tomorrow, I'll go over what's an irrigation system and what papyrus is. Papyrus is a plant that grew around the Nile, and that's how they made their paper. But we'll go more to detail about that tomorrow. It supported animal life for hunting and fishing, and it influenced religious beliefs. Happy, which is the god of bounty, they used the Nile in order to pray to that type of god. All right, let's take a look to your left really quick. Upper and Lower Egypt. I do not want you guys to get confused when it comes to Upper and Lower Egypt. Lower Egypt is at the top. Upper Egypt is at the bottom. I know it's be a bit confusing. Also, can you spot the difference of what's so different between Lower Egypt and Upper Egypt? I'll give you a hint. It deals with the civilizations. You can see how civilizations are spread out. In Upper Egypt, you see the civilizations are curved down. How to prepare for class tomorrow. I want you guys to go back, look at your vocabulary words, look at those vocabulary words and write them down in your notebook and pair with notes for tomorrow's lesson. Also, the painting, just glance at it to see how you could tell how the Nile was important to ancient Egyptians. Also, the poem. Look at slide 6. The poem is called The Hymn of the Nile. Write down how the Nile benefited the civilizations. Also, instructions are also on the same slide of what the poem is, which is slide 6. Also, notice the difference between Upper and Lower Egypt. Keep in mind the differences of the civilizations, okay? All right, if you guys have any questions or concerns, email me and I will get back to you guys, okay? Y'all have a good one. See you tomorrow.